Hi everyone, Dr. Watson here. I wanted to make a short tutorial about our JamBoard and give you some tips in case you're new to this or you just need a refresher. When you click the link to open the JamBoard, it should take you to what you're looking at right now, the open-ended interview question stems JamBoard, and this yellow-orange icon is the JamBoard icon. It's a Google application, as I'm sure you are able to figure out. And the JamBoard has 3 frames, or I like to call them pages, and you can navigate back and forth to the different pages using these arrows up here. And what I've done is put the different types of questions, in this case, icebreakers, and getting started on the different pages. Page 2 is the hypotheticals and devil's advocates and whatnot, and you can see that here. So your assignment is to participate on the JamBoard, and I'm asking everyone to add at least one question stem. You might call it a question starter for each type of question on each page. So in this case, we have icebreakers and getting started. They're kind of one and the same, right? So you'll find over here this left vertical toolbar, and if you hover, you can see the different tools you have. I think the easiest tool to use is the sticky note, and this dialog box pops up. You can choose which color you want, and then just begin typing. Type your starter here. And I'm asking everyone to please put their initials or their name, just so I know who does what, because I don't think JamBoard's going to tell me. Anyway, when you're done, you click Save. Click anywhere on the screen to make that dialog box go away. You can drag your sticky note around and you can see there it is. If you don't like it or you want to edit, hover over the ellipses and click on it. You can edit, duplicate, delete. We don't need to worry about putting anything in order, but let's say I don't know, I really don't like that. I want to go ahead and delete it. The issue is, please don't delete anyone else's work, because we'll all be on the same JamBoard putting our question stems in there. So you've put a couple question stems for icebreakers, and that might be like, tell me about your day. What did you do? Blah, 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 SLW. I guess that's really more of a statement, isn't it? I'm going to save it, click anywhere to make the dialog box go away. I can drag my sticky out of the way. I'm going to move to the next frame. I'm going to come over here. Again, the sticky tool, I think it's the easiest, but oh, you could add an image if you wanted to and talk about that. You could put it into a circle. I don't really know what that would do for us. A text box, if you would like. You have to draw your box and then add your stem here. And again, it's sort of just your words without the pretty sticky background, and you can still make an edit or delete it or anything you'd like. Oh, look, I forgot to add my initials there, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. There you have it. And if you could complete this activity by Sunday, after the JamBoard is completed, I'm going to encourage you to download it as a PDF or perhaps save it as an image so you can have a bunch of different ideas for the different kinds of questions you'll need to ask.